Have you seen your ancestors' skull? Hope you have used your eyes to see your ancestors' skull. I told you that church was built on top of slavery. They used the skull of our ancestors to lay the foundation of the church so that the black people will remain under trap forever and ever. You are aware that Pope signed slavery, right? And Catholic Church later apologized. Are you not aware of that? Then ask yourself, this Father Tans, is it Father Tans? What is his name? Iwele Tans, what do they call it? Father Tans. Ask them, what is still holding the white people to make him a saint? But Pope John, that died 2025, right? They have made him a saint. Now, Father Tans is no longer old enough to make a saint. But somebody that just died of 2005 have already been made a saint. That shows that there is no way they can place a black man where they place the white people in Vatican City. In all those places where they used to mold the statues of the Pope, there is no Jupiter that can make white people to mold a black man there. Even if you try it, their citizen will destroy it. You are aware that the name of the ship being used to convert our ancestors to Europe is called Jesus. Jesus, built by John Hacken, Joint European Slave Union ship. Do you know how many skulls that church have eaten in our land? Uncountable. Do you know how many people that church have killed in our land? Number one, brainwash our people not to have common sense. A typical grown-up child at the age of 26 years, they wear gown saying the Reverend Father. Then a 70-year-old man will be calling a 26-year-old boy Father. Slavery. Slavery. A typical 25-year-old girl will be wearing gown, saying she be Reverend Sister. Reverend Father and Reverend Sister are just two witchcrafts that have sacrificed themselves to represent Europe in order to enslave us. Understand? They just accepted to be knacking each other, servicing themselves, because that is their work there. And they use the lies and the oath they take not to tell our people the truth, to keep on frustrating our people. They keep frustrating our people. You can see your ancestors skull. That's why I told you, if you wake up and you go to church, you are a demon, you are a fool. Because church is a business center whereby if you go, you drop money. Any day you go to church, God need money. Jesus need money. Virgin Maria need money. Money Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, God need money. Virgin Maria need money. Holy Ghost need money. Adoration, money. Money mass, money. Oka 5:30, money. Oka 7, money. Oka 10, money. Oka 12, money. Oka Mbede, money. God, money. God, money. Jesus, money. Money, 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 money. God like money, pepper. God will create heaven and earth. Where Christianity represent. You no get money, you no get shishi. Look at Yoruba pastors, billionaire in dollars, building expensive schools for their children. Look at one of them is building about 100,000 capacity church now. I think Redeem. You see, Ibiyomi have finished his arc of what do they call it? Now he said that the next project is university. Who are those that are going to build that university? Ndibo. Oh, Ndibo. Igbo people. Yoruba get your time at the house. Na Igbo. Omekwana na omela mama. Ome ya. Emano onye Igbo gote moto. Don't buy moto. Igbo brainwash mumu. Don't buy moto we go kill am for bad road where they Ugo Yama tomorrow. Igbo man don't build house. Don't patronize Chinese. Buy all the whole building material from China. Jesus don't do am better something. Don't go pay tithe. Yeah, people. Yeah, they smile. You can see ancestral scores, right? Go to Ghana. The evidence is there. A place of no return. You see where our ancestors, they were under the church suffering, while the European will be at the top celebrating their Jesus. The killer, the murderer. In every slave house in Africa, there is a church on top of it. That shows that this core church is built on top of black man's skull. That is why black people don't reason. Wake up. Don't go to church anymore. It's a slavery house.